All right, I'm gonna do a quick opening of a couple of products that we have that you guys might not have knew that we carried. This is a pretty neat product. THAW is who it's made by. This company makes a rechargeable hand warmer. We sold these last season. They've done very well. Brought them back in this year. They've done great. There's two sizes. They make a small and a large. The small one is 8 hours of heat. The large, you're looking at 13.5 hours of heat. And of course, those are depending on what level that you run it at. So we'll open one of them up, show you how everything works, and just give you a rundown on the product. Really neat product here. So stay with me and check this out. Okay, let's open up the large here. See if we can get into this thing. There we go. All right. First of all, looks like they got a real nice little brochure here. This is going to tell us what we need to know about how to charge it, how to work with it as far as checking the different modes, what the different modes offer. As you can see here, the high mode, you're looking at 8 hours. Medium, we're looking at 11 hours. Low, 13.5. And I'm gonna tell you, even on low, this thing puts a good little bit of heat, especially if you just had it in the pocket of your jacket or that type of thing. So, all right, let's look closer and see what all is in here. So, we've got the brochure. Here's our hand warmer. Nice little unit. Tell what kind of size it is. Got a lanyard on it so you can have it around your wrist or whatever during different activities. All right, let's see here. Here it is. Looking for the charging cable. Got it taped to the bottom there. And so we got a USB charger. Which, I mean, pretty much everything nowadays we have something we can use a USB on. Got a couple different plugs here. A little mini USB to use for charging it up. Regular USB, so you can swap it around the other way. You can actually even use this for a charging bank. So like if you had a phone or tablet that you had this style charger on or what have you, you can actually plug it up to it and charge a phone or that type of thing, which is kind of neat. But all right, let's plug it up. Looks like we already got some battery life on this one though, so let's see here. Cut it off, cut it on. Then here you can check your modes. Oops. That's high. Let's see how quick it warms up to touch. It's actually already warming up. You can really feel it right across here already. Yeah, you can already feel the heat. So it starts warming up pretty quick. To cut it back off, just click it one time. It's off. Cut it back on, click it. It goes straight to the last mode I was on, which was high. So it's gonna start warming up. The battery itself, as it goes down, if you're on high mode, when you cut it off, when you cut it back on, it'll go straight to high. Also, as the battery runs down, it will start, like with this one, the battery not being charged yet, even though it's already hot, it's warm. But it'll start dropping down to different modes, so it doesn't just go right out on you, so it'll still stay warm for a little while. Pretty neat. Let's plug it into a computer here and get it charged up. All right, so we got it charged up. I got the small one charged up. Here's a size comparison to the large and the small. Good little bit of difference. I didn't mention earlier, but need to make sure that you know both sides heat. A lot of these style things that are made in China, things like that, that Amazon, places like that sell, they only heat on one side. So this thing's gonna heat on both sides, you know, when you're holding it. Keep your fingers warm, hands warm, but also like when you got them in your jacket or whatever, you're warming up, so kind of neat. The one thing I did want to mention is I was calling it a mini USB, but I guess it's a USB-C rechargeable. So either one of these units actually comes with what you would need that you would be able to plug into it. It can't be run while it's heating, so it can't be used at the same time, but you can take this thing and charge up you know, your smaller devices, flashlights, phones, things like that, which is a pretty neat deal. The one thing I want to throw at you before I go, I'm sure everybody's wanting to know, the smaller unit, which is this unit, we're looking at $29.99. The large unit, which is this one, they're running $39.99. So right now we have a good stock of them at the Florence and the Tuscumbia location. So it'd be a great stocking stuffer, or really a great Christmas present in general. So not too expensive, but everybody's going to need it with the cold weather coming up. So thanks for watching my video, and we invite you to come by and see us at Shows Outdoor Sports. Have a great day. What you guys know is pretty much anything that we have in the store right now, we have on our website. So I ask you guys and gals to please go check that out. You know, if you don't have time to run in the store this season or whatever for certain things or whatever, you can go in there and order pretty much anything we have and have it shipped right to your door. All sorts of products. I mean, you can go in and pick out what you're looking for. Let's say like the hand warmer that we were just looking at. Type in THAW, it shows the heated seat pads that they make. They're chargeable hand warmers. Go right to those things. Add it to your list, set up an account, whatever you might want to do. You can make a one-time purchase, or you can set up with a store. We can, you know, get stuff to you anytime you need it. But we can do any of these things. Things like the THAWs here that you seen today, or hard parts for your Polaris. You know, any of that stuff you're welcome to do online. We can get that shipped right to your door just to make it more convenient to you. But I do ask you, whether you come in the store, you live local, whatever, just take the time and go check out our website. Go under parts, go to shop parts online. Got all the Polaris books there. Most everything that we stock that does not have a general OEM like with the Polaris will be under this shows in stock parts. We try to make sure we even show parts, pictures of the actual part, so it lets you know that that is in-house. We do have it. So, and if you ever have any questions, you feel free to give us a call at 256-389-8150, and any of us would be glad to help you out. We thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.